You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. That is quite common in France. It's a French name originally from Germanic, from Arnaud in German. So it's the French adaptation, pronounced in French as Arnaud. The D is silent. And then AU in French form the sound of O, like the letter O. It's an O, it's a short O. Arnaud. How to pronounce in French? Arnaud. In English you can say Arnaud. Arnaud, French for Arnold. How to pronounce Arnaud from French pronunciation Arnaud. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.